In today's video, we are going to show you how to get a margin account on Webull. Now, before we begin, let me tell you that you need to use the Webull mobile app for this process because the desktop platform currently does not support applying for a margin account directly. If you go to the settings and hover to the account and security, you will notice that the default account cannot be changed. So you need the mobile app version for the whole process. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is go to your app store if you're using an iOS or iPhone, and if you are using an Android, go to the Google Play Store. Search for Webull, and you want to make sure that the latest version is installed in your mobile device. If you do, click the Open button. This will forward you to the mobile app. Now, one of the easiest ways to get a margin account is by upgrading to a premium plan. This plan includes additional features, including the option to switch your account type from a cash account to a margin account by default. All you need to do is subscribe to their monthly premium plan, and you will unlock the ability to change your account type. Now, the second option is inside the dashboard. I want you to click the three dots icon that says More. If you click on it, it will give you multiple options. And then hover where you can see the All Settings. Click on it. And then scroll down until you find the Account Settings or Account Type. Now, if you don't see that option to apply for a margin account, here are a few possible reasons. The feature may not be restricted in your region or country, and your account may not be fully verified, or you may not meet the minimum equity requirement. If that's the case, make sure your identity verification is fully completed, your account meets the Webull's minimum balance requirements, all the required documents have been submitted. Now, if you are still unsure, go to the Help Center inside of the app. There is a search bar here where you can type margin. Of course, this article can help you understand eligibility requirements and what steps you may still need to complete. Remember, margin trading involves borrowing money and carries higher risk. So make sure you fully understand how margin works before upgrading your account. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to get a margin account on Webull. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.